You know what it is.
Hey, yo, on B-Thigh, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Business Style, you know what I'm saying? Shout out, we had a video shoot. Couple scenes for the video shoot. My boy Jay Hopper, man. YungNReck on deck. You know what I'm saying? Niggas hungry. Animal Squad in the building. You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Shout out F-Dot, you know what I'm saying? The whole Murder Cat Rap, you know what niggas do. You know what I'm saying? Homicide Hopper. Mixtape coming soon. Strictly Business, Product of the Streets, Volume 1. EP coming soon. Murder Cat Rap EP. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got projects in the mix. Mixtapes dropping here and there. You know what's coming. Left or right, whatever. We out here, fuck with us. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got something to say, man.
It's a real nigga right here. Real talk. You know what I mean? With facial hair. You heard Whitmore days.
Word.
It's a real nigga right here. Listen, I only fuck with official niggas, bro. Y'all niggas that's not official and don't get it in, don't fuck with me. You heard? Stay away from the squad. Everybody else. We working, man. Shout out to Mike Rawlins, too.
Shout out to Mike Rawlins behind
Free Po.
You know, BNY2 on Netflix right now.
What's the bitch coming soon, man?
Animal Squad on Shot Squad. Money Waters. You know what I'm saying? Animal Squad.
It's funny album project.
Jay Hopper banging in the background. No fire and crack coming at niggas, man. Bars on deck, so all y'all sleepy ass niggas, you know what I'm saying, trying to rep the homicide, you know what it is, man. Real niggas on deck, man, you know what I'm saying. Bars on deck, fuck with us, you know what I'm saying. Holla at me, man. One.
Squad shit, day one, real squad shit. Get it, man.